Hey, you guys.
Hello, everybody.
We just got our doTERRA order. Leon, go. He's got a lot more stuff than I do.
So I used the collagen, the Advantage, as my primary
Item, I guess.
item because I use it every day and it's so good, and I wanted to make sure I ordered it. So with that, I was able to put 3 add-ons at a reduced price, and I love this particular ProBiome combo because it has your Restore, your PB Restore, and your PB Plus, the little pixie sticks. So I definitely wanted to get that with one of my add-ons. And then, of course, always a standby is TerraZyme to get that as an add-on. And then I ended up getting an extra PB Restore because I share this with my mom. Yeah. So that's the original part. And then, of course, we're going on a trip, and I wanted to make sure I replenished my On Guard Chewables. It's really good stuff. It has lots of minerals and zinc, and it's really good for you. And you could chew them up. Also, I was running really low on Copaiba and the gel caps, and so I wanted to restore that also. And turmeric was running low, so I wanted to get some turmeric dual caps. So it's very important for your cell functions. And of course the On Guard Plus. Right now it's really important to fortify your cells, and with our trip coming up, I wanted to make sure that I had doctored up really good.
Yes.
And
Hey.
so,
All right. I got the On Guard throat drops. There again, you've got the On Guard protective blend in here, and these are so great. You get a tickle or a little bit of a cough, and this really helps. Plus, it's just a great boost for your immune system. And then these breathe drops, I swear, I love these. My sinuses get so crazy, especially this hot, dry area that we live in. And so this really helps open up my airways. You put one of these in your mouth, and within seconds, you can tell and you can feel that just opening up your airways and your all the stuff. So then I got, didn't you get one of these too?
yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I got the On Guard Plus 2. This is your On Guard blend with Melissa, black pepper, and oregano in it.
Oregano.
Yeah, my mind just, it's too hot, you guys.
Melissa.
Yeah, so this is a real kind of a little boost, well, a big boost to that On Guard blend.
And school is starting up, and
Yes.
kids are gonna be having some environmental
Yeah, threats.
threats,
Just go to a school, right?
coughing and hacking and all that stuff.
Okay, and then I got I got the doTERRA Essential Skincare, the facial cleanser. I like this stuff. It's super, super gentle. And then I also got the invigorating scrub. And this scrub is actually very gentle too. It's not a harsh scrub. It doesn't scratch up your face and your skin. This is really good, and I was getting low. And then I got some of the daily conditioner. And what I'm going to use some of this for is to make fabric softener sheets. And so it calls for the doTERRA conditioner in there as well.
Right.
And I don't remember right offhand what else is in it, but this is one of the things that goes in there. I think there's vinegar and distilled water, and I don't remember what else, but that I've got the recipe. So that's what I got that for.
Looking forward to having that.
Yes. And then, because, you know, all that other stuff you get is full of toxins, and we don't want to be having toxins. There's enough in the world anyway, so I don't want to invite them into my home, right? So anyway, the last thing I got is the On Guard laundry soap. Ours is really getting low. There's not a lot in there, and it's surprising how long this lasts. I don't remember.
It's very concentrated.
up to 64 loads, and I think that's pretty accurate.
Yeah.
And then it's got the On Guard blend, which is also, there again, another way to protect yourself from the environment.
Yeah, it's very fresh smelling
Yes.
on your clothes. It's so good.
So that's it. Normally I get vitamins, but I had kind of collected enough that I didn't, because I needed this other stuff. So I still have all the goodies in my
Yeah, there's always
doTERRA
something
closet.
that we're going to get because
Oh
we're
my
using
goodness.
the product.
And I love the points. And in fact, we used points on
Several of them.
this, and I don't remember what else, but we used we did use points on some different
Yeah,
things.
we did-
I don't
we used
remember,
the
but
points.
they do come in handy. Also, I almost forgot to mention, On Guard is the 5 ml On Guard is the free product of the month. When you place your rewards order of at least 125 PV by the 15th of the month, this is just going to get added into your cart. So, and see, On Guard, stay on guard with On Guard, right?
On Guard.
You betcha. So anyway, that's it. Quick video today, not much there. So anyway, and for you, those of you who are watching on YouTube, I would love it if you would like and subscribe and even share, because other people are looking for natural things and things that are safe to use and helpful. Our bodies know how to work with these.
We are the product of the product.
We are. So anyway, you guys have a fabulous day. Hopefully your weather is cooler than here, because I feel like I'm melting. But anyway, it's not a good look. Anyway, you guys have a fabulous day. You take care. Bye.
Bye.